Hello! In this video, I'd like to present our charcoal dosing and packaging system. This equipment is designed for bagging of lightweight products such as lump charcoal or any other product with particles smaller than 75 mm. Production capacity. This dosing and packaging machine can measure 3 to 7 doses per minute. Maximum dose, depending on the model, varies from 1 to 10 kilos. Modules included. The equipment consists of a vibration feeder, a belt conveyor, a weighing hopper, and a bag sewing machine. Operating principle. The product is fed into the intake hopper of the feeder. The hopper has a capacity of 300 liters. The feeder can transport up to 140 liters per minute. The product moves on a sloping belt conveyor towards the weighing hopper. Both the vibration feeder and the belt conveyor are actuated by the level sensors integrated in the weighing hopper. The operator secures a bag with a mechanical clamp, enters a target weight to feed, and presses the start button. The vibration feeder ensures that the product flows from the supply hopper to the bag. The ready bag is then transported to the sewing station, where it is closed with double thread chain stitch. Features. All product contact parts of the equipment are made of stainless steel. The height of the feeding conveyor is adjustable. For the operator's safety and convenience, there are 2 aspirators, one at the operator's workplace and the other in the upper part of the receiving hopper. The stand of the sewing head is adjustable in height, which allows sewing bags of different size. The conveyor is equipped with a foreign-made reduction gear. The conveyor features a 3-layer seamless belt. Note also that the guardrails are made of aluminum and adjustable in height and width, which allows sewing bags of different size. Charcoal dosing and packaging system by Jasco comes with a 12-month warranty period.